His son is in jail and he's working for Home Affairs. Where will he run to? If he runs to another country, it's good riddance. And other countries don't accept radicals, rascals, sorry. We are the only country that accepts rascals in this country. Yes, we do so. Even the United Nations is angry with us. So in Home Affairs, when we become strict, people call it xenophobia. Even the United Nations is angry that South Africa has got a tendency, because of something called democracy, to accept all the rascals of the world. When people do wrong things in their country, they run here. What do you say about that guy from Czechoslovakia called Radovan Kresha? He ran all the way from, no, please, no, comrade. No, please, comrade. He ran all the way from Czechoslovakia to come and do nonsense here. Yes. Now United Nations is looking for one guy from Rwanda, and they insulted Fast for his. He has been given refugee status in South Africa. That man is a killer. Yes. In Rwanda, he threw a hand grenade into a bus full of women and children, and he ran to South Africa. And we welcome him and say refugee. And we must keep on keeping quiet, comrade, for the scare of the word xenophobia. Near man, comrade, near. That's how the dark is. Near man. No, this must change, comrade. We can no longer allow our country to be a stomping ground for all the radicals and all the low-lifers of the world running here and saying they are using our democracy. No, that's not what they mean.